It's early April and it's such a beautiful day. It's hard to believe it was actually snowing just yesterday. Check out all the snow. I think the first thing I'm going to do is get the Black Tower Elder prepped for the year. There are two of them. There's this one right here, which is bigger, and then this one. This one just has two sticks. And this bigger one has really branched off. But this branch goes over the path, so it's in the way. And then this one kind of goes into the driveway, so I'm going to cut it down. You could cut all the branches down all the way to the highest node. So if I wanted to, I could cut them all like here, 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 and here. These ones are dead. But I like the ones that are straight. So I'll leave this one alone and I'll leave this one alone, and I'm going to determine what I'm going to do with the others. So for this one that's like above this path right here, I think I'm going to cut it maybe above this node right here so that it'll encourage it to grow maybe like this and upward. Because if I cut above this one, looks like it's going to grow inward. So I'm going to cut right here for the one that's kind of jutting out this way, because I'm thinking that this will grow up like that. So there. For this one that's going into the driveway, basically, I'm going to cut above this node, hoping it'll grow out and up like that, so it's more of a tower. It's kind of sad cutting off these nodes that are alive, but maybe I'll put them in some soil and see what happens. The rest of them are pretty straight, except this one kind of goes toward the path as well, so I might do something about that. Maybe I'll cut down here and encourage it to grow up and out right there. There, I think it's shaped more like a tower. So here's the other one. You can see what I think are allium, globe master, I think they are, growing from under it, which is kind of a problem, but we're just gonna let it do its thing. These are leaves from last year all up the branch, and you can see new growth all along the stem. There it is right there. It's almost okay, but this stick kind of bends forward, and I don't like that. And then the other one has a dead tip, so it's not going to grow from there. I might as well cut it above a viable node. This is dead. Looks like it starts to get better here. These ones are pretty strong buds, so I might cut above those. Just depends on which direction I want it to grow. Okay, so I'm just following down the stem. I think these ones look pretty good. I'll cut above those. Actually, I think I'm going to go lower and cut above these. So I really did take it down quite a lot. And I know this might look weird for a while, but I think I'll cut up higher here before this turn. See how it turns? These can all come off because none of them are going to be green again. The tip of this one is dead too. I'm just going to cut it up high just to kind of see what happens. Maybe there's this one right here. There. I'm back at the first one, just taking off some of the dead leaves, which may or may not fall on their own. I'm noticing that the end is kind of curved, so I might just cut that one too. Maybe here. Looks like maybe the end is dead here as well. So, and it's curved kind of weird. So I will cut. These nodes don't look that happy. Maybe here. Taking off any ones that are going inward too. And then this little ones. Okay, well, I ended up taking it down a lot. Okay, so plans changed a little bit, but anyway, there's one. I left one stick and cut another one really short, and then there's the other one. So you can see the aronia right behind it, so it's kind of lots of sticks, but we'll see what it looks like later in the season. It is 3 o'clock in the afternoon right now. A huge storm is about to hit. It's so dark that even our lights, what do you call those? are on.
Lights?
Oh my god. Okay, I'm already getting... Look how cool the Black Tower elderberry is. Just that branch though. Snowing.